Hello, my name is Zhuoyao, and I'm going to introduce VTS Testability Check, which is a mechanism that determines whether a VTS health test applies to the targeting device during the runtime. The VTS test suite contains tests for all health APIs. However, not all these tests apply to every target device. For example, if a specific device does not have the hardware to support a target health, then VTS should not run tests for that health against the device. Also, there could be several devices sharing the same SoC and vendor image, but using different hardware functionalities. For example, a device maker can have several devices models sharing the same vendor image, but some of the models do not support the NFC component. In that case, VTS should skip the NFC health test for those devices. To determine whether a test should be run or skipped for a specific target device, we rely on the information claimed in a device manifest file and the lshealth command's output. First, the device manifest file is an XML file that claims the health services supported by the device. Here shows a snapshot of an example manifest file, which we can see it contains the information including the health package name, version, interface name, and the instance name. Note there could be multiple interfaces for the same health, and each interface may correspond to multiple instances, each with a different service name. According to the health inheritance model, the claimed health also supports healths that are with a lower minor version. For example, here it claims that it supports a vibrate health with version 1.2, which means it also supports a health with version 1.0 and 1.1. The device manifest files are searched on the device under the following locations with the listed order. Specifically, the framework first checks the vendor manifest file under vendor/etc/vintif and the ODM manifest file, which could exist in any of the listed 4 locations. If both the vendor manifest and the ODM manifest file exist, it merges them together by overloading the health in vendor manifest with the one in ODM manifest. If neither of the vendor nor the ODM manifest file is found, it will fall back to check the global device manifest file stored as vendor/manifest.xml. Another information used by the testability checker is the lshealth command's output. lshealth is a tool on device that lists all the running health services registered with Hardware Service Manager. Example output of lshealth commands looks like this, which contains a list of health instances, each with a format as package name at version, : interface name / instance name. For basic tests, which are required by Android 8.0 or higher, the testability checker relies on the device manifest to determine whether to run a particular test with the decision flow shown in the slides. The decision is based on the fact whether the health is claimed in the manifest file, the health transportation mode, and also the system architecture the health supports. For optional tests, such as performance, profiling, and fast tests, the testability checker relies on both the device manifest and the lshealth output to determine whether to run a particular test with this decision flow. The major difference here from the one for basic tests is it will also test experimental health that are not claimed in the manifest file, but are actually running and captured in the LSHEL outputs. This is especially useful for users to test the health which are still under development. So that's all about the VTS Testability Checker, and thank you for watching this.